Well, little lady, let me elucidate here. Everybody wants to be a cat, because a cat's the only cat who knows where it's at.
Tell me, everybody's picking up on that feline beat, 'cause everything else is obsolete.
Not sure if you can see in there, but this is where my little kitty cat sleeps over night time. Yes, Mal. He's got his own little bachelor pad. This is the roof lifts up. It's all padlocked down, but the roof lifts up so that you can hose it all out, and it's all nice and clean. And he's got a little window in here as well. Morning, sir. Got a cobweb in there. I don't like the looks of that. Where are you? I'll open the door and have a little look. Oh, there you are. You're back up here. You meow. You gotta stay in there for a minute. I'm in there. Oh, you've done a little whoops here. So he sleeps up there, and his toilet's down here. He has fresh water. Oh, you didn't aim right. Look at that little nugget. Say good morning. So, my little man, my little monster, yes, that's yours. You don't need to play with it. He's about 17 years old. He's my little baby. I love him to bits. You gonna say hello, YouTube? You're not in the mood this morning, are you? Is it because I was doing things outside and you wasn't allowed to help? He's only out here over night time. Through the daytime he has the run of the house. Literally the run of the house. Okay, let's get you inside.